Today we're going to apply foundation with or without primer, and we're going to see the complete totally difference. Now I'm going to apply a foundation, no primer whatsoever, and look at that. Look at all those pores. We don't want that. We don't want any pores. So now I'm going to apply a little bit of a primer and then the foundation, and we're going to make a test to see the difference. It does make a huge difference. A little bit of primer underneath your foundation. It is amazing. Now a little bit of the liquid foundation that I used before. Look at that. You can immediately, you see the difference? No pores. It's beautiful. It's silky. It's amazing. Left side with primer, right side without. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, and I will check in with you in my next video.